So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit table font size on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top here, press on table, and add a table into your presentation just like this. Now, once that is done and you want to change the font size, so I'll just type in the word size just like this. It's pretty straightforward. Press on the table right here. Make sure that at the top the text is selected. So if it's on table, go ahead and press on text right here. Then where it says the number right here, you can go ahead and press up to make it larger. You can go ahead and press down to make it smaller, or you can do a custom size. So if you want, 60 for example, press on 60 just like that. You can go up, of course, to make it larger, or go down, of course, as I mentioned before, to make it smaller. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to edit table font size here on Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.